Sunroof Tech Private Limited was started by two IITians in 2016. Their exemplary efforts to change the industry, driven by technology, has made Sunroof India's #1 smart home automation and solar solutions provider.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
I still remember the first day when Sushant and I started this company. We have always believed that there is immense potential in people. Sunroof's true spirit at its very core is technology, people, and efficiency.
In these 5 years, our growth has been phenomenal. We completed a 20 megawatt portfolio in solar rooftop installations before our 5th anniversary. Sunroof solar rooftop installation services have spread to 12 states and over 75 cities in India. Meanwhile, Sunroof raised 2 major investments from Godrej.
Our dream took shape when we launched our brand Sun Solar, Apna Solar. Over these 5 years, with great teamwork, we have achieved seemingly impossible. As they say, still day one.
We have touched 72,000 plus homes in our solar segment, and we have about 1,000 plus solar partners across the country. Today, Sun Solar competes well with established brands in the industry, as it is the most reliable choice of customers for various solar solutions.
What sets us apart is our passion to dive into the impossible. In the past couple of years, we have been concentrating our efforts in the field of IoT. In 2018, we have launched our first smart home device, and we haven't looked back since then.
IoT technology is at the forefront of our future growth plans, and our research team is continuously working to make the company independent by moving towards manufacturing of smart home automation devices.
We have sold 50,000 plus smart devices so far. Sunpulse, our smart home automation brand, grew a whopping 15 times in online sales and 10 times in Google searches.
Innovation lives and breathes within our team. It is the inspiration behind our continued success.
We keep asking what if, and keep on improving ourselves with the latest technology and techniques.
We are building new products, we innovate and bootstrap every day. I believe anything is possible with the right spirit.
I've realized dreams and visions do come true.
Every dream is achievable with the right spirit.
We are R&Ding around one of the most innovative technologies. We are creating the future of lifestyle. It feels great to be part of an Indian brand that is holistically approaching the world of smart living. Every day feels like a revolution.
Our employees are a bunch of energetic and enthusiastic innovators who are committed to achieving results in their fields.
Every day in the office feels like you can be whatever you want to be.
But work is not the only environment that we care about. Our motives lie in creating a better world and a smarter future for humankind.